Okay, so this tutorial is for using the position dummies for the Terms of Endearment packs. Um, they don't work quite the same as they did originally in iClone 5, I think it was, were released. But anyway, they do still work. They will only work from frame 1 of your timeline, though. If you apply them later on in the timeline, what you'll see is the later part of the motion, and if you rewind to 0, then you'll see the motion from the beginning. So what I'm going to do to make them work is apply a position dummy first, and this is from the Endearment Lovers pack. And then I'll go to my characters, and I'm going to find a male and female character. And in this case, I'll use the robots. And I'm going to put the male character onto the blue. And the female character onto the pink. Okay, at this point, when I press play, they're simply going to go ahead and perform. So there you go. Now I can rewind and play it again. All right, now if we go into the timeline, you'll see I have one of the motion dummies selected, but I actually need to select both of them. So I'm going to hold down Control and click on the other motion dummy, so they're both selected. Now I can see both of their timelines, and I can move them simultaneously. If you hold down Control, you can click on each timeline and select them together. And then I'll grab the timelines and move them later to where I need them in my scene. So in this case, they're going to stand ready. You could probably insert a different motion here in the beginning, but I wouldn't, because they'll need to slide into place to begin that motion. So if you do add additional motions here, make sure that your characters end up in the proper place before they go to the motion here. Okay, so now if I play, it'll wait and then start that motion later in the timeline. So currently these will always play immediately at frame 1, and there's not a way to change that anymore. But at least they do all still work, so you can get them where you need them. All right, hope that's helpful.